Welcome back to another video from Insectech's Android Application Penetration Testing course. In the previous video, we have had a very basic introduction to security assessments of Android applications using Drowser. So in this video, we're going to see even more advanced attacks that are possible with Drowser. And for this particular demonstration, we're going to have a new application called vulnerablecontentprovider.apk. So first let's go ahead and install this ist vulnerable apps apk and use adb space install and vulnerablecontentprovider.apk. So as you can see, it is getting installed on the device. Now once if it gets installed, go ahead and launch your Drowser and make sure it is running up and running. So as expected, it is up and running. So the first step that we have to do is adb forward tcp 31415, again tcp 31415. now Drowser console connect. Looks like there's a problem. Let's just simply restart your Drowser. Sorry, it just let me clear the screen. Again, start it, forward the port, connect. You should see Drowser console there. Just in case if you face any problem, just you can restart Drowser console. Right. So now the first thing is identify the package name of our target application. We can use this app.package.list-f and a specific word in your application. So it should go ahead and find out the package name. As you can see, we have got com.androidpentesting.vulnerablecontentprovider. So this is the target that we're going to use for the next couple of minutes, right? So the first thing that we need to do is identify the attack surface of this particular package. app.package.attack surface, and let's give the package name. As you can see, there is one activity which is exported and there is one content provider which is also exported. So I'm interested in content providers because if it is exported, we can actually go ahead and look for a couple of other vulnerabilities as well. So let me go ahead and find out all the content providers that are there. I mean the content provider URI that is exported, right? So to do that, you can actually run this particular command, run scanner.provider.find URIs and specify the package name. So let me run this scanner to find out all the content provider URIs. If you remember, in OWASP top 10, when we're discussing M10, lack of binary protection, I have shown you the manual way to find out the content providers, and Drowser is actually automating the same process. So scanner.provider.find URIs, provider.find URIs, and then -a, and then your package name. In our case, it's the package name. So just copy there and paste it here. Hit enter. It is scanning the entire package. As you can see, it has got some accessible content URIs. Almost everything is same. So this is the content provider that we have. Now we should be able to query this because it is exported. So let's try to query this particular content provider using this particular command. So run space app.provider.query and URI. That is how you can actually do that. app.provider.query and specify the URI. Hit enter. As you can see, it is displaying the column names because it has got nothing inserted into its database. So let's go ahead and see if it prints anything after inserting some sort of data into this application. So this is the application. As you can see, this is the application. Let me enter something and just hit save data. Again come back and do the same. As you can see, it is now displaying some kind of data. It means we are able to query the content of this particular application. Now we can do the same even using ADB. Let me show that. So to do that, all you need to do is ADB shell content query -- URI and specify the URI that you are trying to query. Just copy this, go there, hit enter. As you can see, it is now actually giving you the data from this database. So you don't really need to go to this particular browser to actually query this particular content provider. You can even use ADB like what I have shown. So it is very simple. All you have to do is content query -- URI and specify the URI here. That's it. So how do you go ahead and find out the URI? Please go through the video which we have discussed, that is M10, where we have discussed how to find out the query content provider of a specific application. Right. So this is how we can actually exploit leaking content providers. In the next video, we are going to see injection vulnerabilities in content providers. So thanks for watching the video. Thanks a lot.